Morning. So how you do today? Long time we no chat, man. Me want correct something that I go on long time. You know, say after years now them a say Jamaica our English speaking country. That not true, you know. We chat patwah at Jamaica. Only some stush people you will hear a chat English all the time. And most of we understand it and use it when necessary. But it's not an English speaking country. And this a go on from me little because me remember when me was a little picnic, me have two cousins were born in Nicaragua. And they send them come to Jamaica to come learn to chat English. Master. Then go stay with one family where have one bakery. And me say, in about 3 weeks, all the picnic them depend is bomba clot, ras clot, caca fat, pure bad one. Them no know nothing but bad one. So the family have to quick send them back to Nicaragua. You never know say we have family in Nicaragua. Yeah man, enough Jamaica did go help build the Panama Canal. And when them done, instead of come back at the yard, some go to Nicaragua, some go to Honduras, some go to Costa Rica, and some turn to Panama. So we have no family on that side there. Anyway, me I talk about this thing. About them say we chat English at Jamaica. Just the other day, me and my friend down in Miami, I chat. We see one young lady look pan we and then she walk over and say, what, we not chat Jamaican? I said, we are Jamaicans, we chat patwah. She said, you know, say me can chat it good now. If you did look pan her, you wouldn't expect her to chat it because she kind of look like Chinese. She said, me born and grow at Miramar. And when me did little, my parents said they want we learn English. My parents, them a doctor, you know. So then say, them look up on the internet and then see this pretty country with some pretty beach and hill and everything nice. And guess what? He said it's an English speaking country. So them parents perhaps write to the government and say we are doctor and we are look at working at Jamaica. And the government say, yeah man, come we want some people to go working at the country part them. Them say when they come at Jamaica, then send them in a one bush place, way up in a one place near Seafort in a St. Thomas. But the picnic, them love it, them run up and down barefoot, them in the hill and bush with all the picnic them. And guess what? They learn the English language quick. Or so them think a English language them a learn. Well, she tell me, say, when she turned about 12 now, the parents send her go to Kingston to a stush school. She say when she go there, every time she open her mouth, the picnic them look on her and laugh. And she don't know them a laugh. So one of them say, oh, why how you chat, sir? She said, but me can chat English, we are chat about. Them said, but that no English. She shamed to tell. She say, anyway, we have a couple more years she go learn English at school. And she glad she come to Jamaica because she love the place pretty, the language nice, she make plenty friends. And guess what? She loved the music and now when the DJ them a sing, she understand every word. So she happy say she come learn English at Jamaica. Actually, I was just telling you that there is this misconception that Jamaica is an English-speaking country, but we are not an English-speaking country. The vast majority of us speak patwah. Most of us may understand some English, but very few people do speak it. Certainly not the Queen's English. Anyway, I was relating two incidents where children were sent to Jamaica to learn English because if you search the web and other resources, that is what they say we are, an English-speaking country. But they soon discovered that what they learned was not at all English. Well, me know you want to learn to chat like a week, so I hope you get your Talk Jamaica already from Amazon.com because me know why you out there think say and me one can chat so nice. So have yourself a wonderful day.